Hi, and welcome back to the 10 square meter workshop. Something a bit different this time. 3 ideas that might be useful for your workshop. So let's get started. First item, remote extractor switching. You may have remote power sensing to switch on your air extraction when you start your tool, but what if it's cordless like this? Do you envy Festool users and their Bluetooth remote control system? Well, Bluetooth is not really the most suitable for this, and it's not cheap, and neither is equipment you need to attach it to, of course. This kit is a third of the price, a more suitable technology, and it's easy to wire to almost any dust extraction system. You get 2 of these push button remotes with the unit. I unscrewed the back from one of them. I then used one of these Velcro strips. Then using a hot glue gun, I hot glued the back to the strip. I can apply a liberal amount and hold it in place until it sets. I then reattached the back to the body and strapped it onto my airlock hose system. You just press the button for suck. And off again. Couldn't be easier. And a bit cheaper. Next, identifying those Allen keys. I was watching an Adam Savage video and he was waxing lyrical about these Allen keys, and I can see the attraction. However, there's 3 problems for me. Firstly, they're quite pricey. Secondly, I don't really need any more Allen keys. And thirdly, they're the wrong colour. If you've ever dabbled in electronics, you'll know the resistor colour code off by heart. You see the colour yellow, you see the number 4. Perhaps that's what this wall's about. May the 4s be with you? No? Fortunately, I have PVC tape in all the required colours. Here they are, in ascending order. Like him, I too like using T-handled hex drive. That's so much more convenient. But of course I also use the standard sort, especially for odd sizes. I know, Adam, there isn't always one missing. But of course I also have a lot of miscellaneous Allen keys, just like the rest of you. It's the work of seconds to put a piece of tape around an Allen key. Here it's green for 5mm. And the half sizes? One way is to bracket it. Here's the 3.5 and the 5.5. Even if just thrown into a tray, it's much easier to find the size you want. I like the idea so much, I've added it to my handled Allen keys. But I've also added a colour code to show what size cap bolts and insert bolts they fit. Of course, tool bits can be treated the same. It can be used anywhere where size is important and not immediately obvious. And I'm sure I'll find plenty of other things to use this system on. Tool strips, magnetic bars like this, are widely available. This one is 600mm, the biggest I could find. And I've just bought 3 of them. Why have I done that? So I have one mounted on a rafter. Fairly convenient from almost anywhere in the shop. I've also fitted one to the end of my MFT table. It's a handy place to keep tools during assembly work. Stops them cluttering the surface. And the third is mounted under the cupboard above my lathe. This means when I'm using something like a chuck, I just stick it up and it's out the way. It will hold quite a large number of tools. I also of course use individual magnets for holding things like winding handles, chuck keys, brushes, whatever's most convenient. I also use them for holding GRO maps to the front of my milling machine. They really are useful all over the shop. So there you are, 3 ideas I hope you will find useful. Why not join us next time? Subscribe so you know when they're coming. Bye for now.